Okay, guys, welcome to lesson 8 of Greek. We are looking at first declension nouns in E. So we're going to look at some nouns that have this ending. Okay, I'm on page 34 of the textbook, so if you'd like to jump on there and follow along with me, you can. The first thing in paragraph 29 we have is a new word, nomí. Now, a nomí is a beautiful rolling pasture. Do you see the little cow with his horns and stuff in the nomí? Okay, so a nomí is a pasture. Now, what are the endings like for nomí? Well, let's look. You have nomí, nomis, nomí, nomine, and then nomí, pasture, and then the plurals are nomet, nomon, nomes, nomas, and nomeh, pastures. Now this, you just have to memorize, but I hope you notice it's not very different from the thes. So if you know the article, then you already know this like nothing, so you should be fine. But you do need to memorize pasture, of pasture, to, for, or with a pasture, pasture, direct object, pasture, pastures, of pastures, to, for, or with pastures, pastures, direct object, and pastures. Now, of course, nomí is not the only word that's like this. Komi, which means village. A komi is a village. It's the same. Krini. Krini is a fountain or a spring. And that's the same way too. So we've got these three words, nomí, komi, and krini. You've got to know these endings, and these words are like that. Notice they all end in E. 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 Okay, and then the plurals are exactly the same as IKEA, so nothing new there. All right, now a little smattering of new words. We have vus. Now, vus means cow or ox. If it's vus, it's the cow. If it's ovus, it's the ox. And plural of cows would be voes, cows. And then you got opes, which is the boy, and ipes, which is the girl. And then two new verbs, kite and kinte. Now kite is it lies, not like not telling the truth kind of lies, but like lies on the ground like a dog would lie. And then kinte is they lie, like dogs would lie on the ground. Okay? Now, next, we are looking at a few sentences. Look at this right here. Esti, vus, esti, there is a cow. Esti vus, in ti nomí. There is a cow in the pasture. Wow. Okay. Pu kinte, evoes. Where lie the cows? Where are the cows lying at? And then you could say in ti nomí if it's in the pasture. You could say in ti komi if it's in the village. You could even say in ti krini if it's hanging out in the fountain. So pu kinte evoes. All right, and then we are confident here. Ukite vus, inti nomí. Is not the cow lying in the pasture? Or does not the cow lie in the pasture? Ukite vus inti nomí. Okay, another little thing here. You know how in English we'll sometimes say does the boy play, this does. They don't have that in Greek. So if I want to say, let me do it like this. So treko. You guys remember what treko means? Treko means I run. Treko can also mean I am running. We don't add an extra am. We just translate treko as I run, or I am running, or even I do run. So all three of these English translations work for treko. So let's do this one. Treki ipes. You should be able to give me 3 translations for that. Or 2 at least. Does the girl run? And is the girl running? Treki ipes? Treki ipes? And then you can say utreki. Utreki. And what does that mean? She doesn't run, or she is not running. Either translation, remember the does and the is with the ing, they all work for the one verb. Okay, let's do a little bit more and then we're going to be ready for the exercises. Do you have a ball? Sfera nekis. Do you have a ball? Echo. I have one. And there's no other word here. If someone says sfera nekis and you do have a sferan, then you're just going to say echo. Sfera nekis? Echo. I have one. Or you can say uk echo. I don't have one. Sfera nekis? Echo. Sfera nekis? Uk echo. Or you can say Eki thiran I ikia. Eki thiran I ikia. Does the house have a door? And then you can answer in a short way like this. You can say Eki. It has one. Or you can say Uk eki. It doesn't have one. Okay. I think you guys are ready to do the translations, and I will go on another video and work the translations with you.